and you're filing a case against 1,000 journalists. You're picking up a 1922 law. You are doing 160-hour interrogations. You are doing premature press conferences. You are getting a policeman who is from the Shiv Sena to be part of this whole brazen coercion. You are doing brazen coercion of witnesses. You are sending Section 91 notices which say that every disposable cup and toilet paper you must give us the hisab. You tell the journalists of the channel you have to reveal your sources. You pick up cropped up allegations from here and there, and then you go. You call this organization's head on a 10-minute notice in a breach of privilege case. You are doing everything that is illegal, patently illegal. And then you take Abhishek Manu Singhvi or anyone will go to court and say, no, sir, we have got a case against him. What case? The only case here, Gaurav, is of malice and vendetta. And let's debate this now, please. Gaurav, please. I'm too involved in the subject, but Gaurav can take this forward with anyone on the other side.
So, Arnab, first of all, if there is one place in the country
where you would get complete justice and people of India have complete faith in the institution, it is the Honorable Supreme Court of India. And I am very delighted that the Honorable Supreme Court of India has now taken cognizance of the malified intentions of the state government. They have not stayed the order of the Bombay High Court. And that Bombay High Court order is also very important, Arnab, which is in your favor, where the Bombay High Court had stayed the 2 FIRs, stating that no prima facie case is made out. The sad part is that wherever Congress goes, it is more contagious than COVID. And I am reminded of the emergency days, how they are trying to silence the voice of truth. They are trying to threaten journalists who are doing their job. Now, what goes in your favor? Let me just summarize. Bhajan Singh case, the Supreme Court has held that any malified investigation will be quashed. Paramveer, who is a disgrace on the khaki uniform he wears for the way he is operated, does a press conference and lies to the entire nation,
Today
saying that Republic's name is there in the FIR, which wasn't there.
He is a disgrace.
Second, somebody is speaking, Arnab. Maybe, that person is eager to come. So I think I should be quiet.
Today Paramveer is a disgrace. He wasn't a disgrace.
Oh, it is my friend. Okay. Please, Arnab, I just want to make my point quickly. If you can request him. Can I just make my point with your permission, sir?
In the investigation.
Sure.
Thank you. The second point is, Arnab, the sting operations that you have done. It clearly shows words like Arnab to fasega hi.
Yeah.
हमने teams बना दी हैं.
Yeah.
वो खुदकुशी कर लेगा. What does it show? It shows that there is a political force that is acting not in the interest of the state but against Republic Channel.
Yeah.
And third, why are they naming 1,000 reporters from Republic Channel in the FIR? Why these 2 FIRs which have been stayed by the Bombay High Court at such a belated stage? And that is why I say it is like a mini emergency. But I am sure as a lawyer who has served the Honorable Supreme Court that the Supreme Court is taking note of it and will definitely intervene to do justice to the public.
I am on a point of legality.